Alexa, turn on the theater lights. Oh yeah, baby. Youthman's home theater just got a little bit smarter. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you how. But before we get too far, if you're into home theater, audio, and video, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright guys, today has been an incredibly fun day. I invited a friend of mine over to help me set up and configure the Amazon Echo with my Harmony Elite remote control and hub, as well as install or actually replace my Lutron dimmers. I have a spacer system and we replaced that with some Lutron Cassetta dimmers. Now I'm going to walk you through in just a little bit of what we actually did and just give you a little bit of idea. It's not going to be a step-by-step tutorial, but I want to give you an overview of the process of what we did and maybe give you some ideas on some things that you can do with your home theater. But before we get into the nuts and bolts, I think it'd be just cool just to show you what we've done. So let's check it out. All right, guys, before we get into the demo, if you have any Amazon products that start with the letter A, you may want to mute those, as I'll be using that name throughout this demo. Alexa, turn off the front lights. Alexa, turn off the rear lights.
Okay.
Turn the rear lights on.
Okay.
Turn the rear lights to 30%.
Okay.
Turn the rear lights to 10%.
Okay.
Turn the rear lights off.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the LED lights. Alexa, turn the arch lights down to 10%. Alexa, turn the front lights to 50%. Alexa, turn the theater lights on. Alexa, turn the theater lights off. Turn the reveal lights on.
Okay.
Turn the reveal lights off.
Okay.
Turn the theater lights on.
Okay.
Alright, so before you do any kind of electrical work, of course, you want to turn off the breaker to the room that you're working in. So in my case, it's the theater room, media room. So we'll come over here to number 10 and turn that off. Okay, so right over here behind this panel, I've got 5 older Lutron spacer systems. And so each one of these controls a different zone in my room.
Yeah.
So the very top one is going to control 4 can lights,
Yeah.
as you can see here. This second one is going to control the rear 2 can lights. The third one is going to control, that's the 3 can lights above the arch in the cabinet. The last one down here, the fourth one that we're going to be replacing, is the LED lighting on the outside. Now, in case you guys are wondering, we've got some extra lights that we brought in and just ran an extension cord to another room just so that we could be able to capture this on film. Alexa Discover devices.
Starting discovery. This will take up to 20 seconds. If you haven't already, please enable the Smart Home skill for your smart device from the Alexa app.
Alright guys, well I just wanted to share with you my excitement and my journey as I begin into the world of smart home theater. Now this video is not sponsored by any of those products by Harmony or Lutron or Amazon. I just wanted to share with you some cool new toys that I'm installing in my theater and kind of giving you a brief overview of how to set that up. Now if you find this video helpful to you, definitely let me know down in the comments below. Let me know how you're using Alexa in your home theater. Also, if you've got some tips for the Alexa app or how to control some different things in the Harmony or in the Lutron app, leave those down in the comments for others to benefit from. And if you'd like to see more of these types of videos, definitely let me know as well. This is very new to me, so I'm not going to be able to answer a lot of your questions on how to do this or how to do that. I'm going to be inviting you to join me in my journey through this as I learn. And so as I learn cool things or things that I feel that you might benefit from in your theater room, then I'll share those in future videos if that's something that would be of value to you. Well guys, that's going to wrap up another video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, man, be sure to hit that like button. If you like the channel, make sure you're subscribed, share it on your social media platforms, and don't forget the giveaway contest that we've got going on right now until the end of this week. On Friday at noon, it will end. I've got links to it down in the description. You could win a chance to receive a $200 e-gift card to Worldwide Stereo. And so if that's something that you'd be interested in, all the information's down below. Well guys, you be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.